Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Myinstants to download sound effects. In our previous video, we reviewed the Pixabay website. First, open your browser and go to Myinstants. On the homepage, you will see many sound buttons. You can click any button to instantly play the sound effect. If you are looking for a specific sound, use the search bar at the top. Type the name of the sound, for example meme, anime, or funny sound. When you find the sound you like, click the download button under it. The sound file will download to your computer as an audio file. You can then use these sound effects in your videos, streams, or editing projects. That's how you use Myinstants easily for sound effects. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.